Hi, this is the first video about how to read. Now I know you know how to read. The sense that I'll be talking about reading is how to read so much. One of the common experiences of graduate students is that the reading assignments in their courses are so unrealistic. Well, maybe not unrealistic if all you did was read instead of eat and sleep. The underlying assumption is that there is one way to read. But really, you already use many different forms of reading in your daily life, depending on what the material is. For example, do you read a news article and a recipe in the same way? For the news article, the headline or the accompanying photo with its caption will probably be where you start reading. Those alone will provide an immense amount of information about what the story is about. And because you already have a lot of experience reading news articles, you know what to expect, where most of the critical information is provided at the beginning of the story. With a recipe for, say, baking cookies, the title and accompanying photo may grab your attention, but where do you really begin reading? Probably with the ingredients, maybe to check that you have all of them at hand, maybe to check whether they appeal to you, or maybe you scan for the difficulty of the recipe, or prep time, or nutrition information. Then maybe you scan the directions to see what's involved in baking the cookies. The point is that you already have a basic idea in mind for the structure of each of these forms of reading. And this allows you to effortlessly, rapidly, and intentionally gather whatever information you need. This is also how you need to read for courses. Your approach to reading might look something like this. First, you should ask yourself why you are reading. Second, how the information you seek is structured. And third, what style it's presented in. So first, why are you reading? Consider some reasons. For pleasure, say a novel. To be informed, like in textbooks. To be persuaded or sold, like sales brochures. How is the information structured, which is the second question, might be presented as a research study, a textbook, maybe a book chapter or short essay, an excerpt from a lengthier reading, a speech that someone gave, a user's manual or instructional manual. And there are many other forms of reading that you probably do on a daily basis. The third question is, what style is the information presented in? Is it told in stories, systematically detailed with appropriate definitions and explanations, maybe written in dense academic language with lots of terminology? Or is it more inviting as an introduction to ideas with little assumed prior knowledge? So when you prepare to read for courses, you should ask yourself, just to recap, why you are reading, how the information you seek is structured, and what style it's presented in. In a future video, I'll talk about how you can use that information to actually do the reading in a way that is more direct for the information you're looking for and efficient in terms of your effort and time. So look out for that video, and thanks for watching.